Aloha. We are Mission Ready! Welcome. Thank you for joining us today. We're obviously in beautiful tropics. I don't know where we are. Could be Hawaii, could be Jamaica, could be Mexico. Who knows? Wherever you want us to be, we're there. This is Mission Ready, a variety game show where random missions are thrown at us at random times and we don't know really what to expect. Today, producer Jonathan is going to tell us what we're doing.
All right, so you guys are stuck on a tropical island called Mission Land, and your airplane is about to leave because vacation is over.
Oh, we just got here. Yo, we just got here.
You better get your suitcase. Behind you guys, there are 5 suitcases. Ready, set, go.
Oh, shit.
Where are we? Do we have to run back?
Oh, no. What is that?
Whose suitcase is this?
The first mission that you guys have to do is get your plane ticket. And they are inside each suitcase. We're gonna rank who got the ticket first to last.
How do you even open this thing?
Ready, set, go.
What?
Is this a ticket?
No, that's not the ticket.
What? Oh my, wait a minute.
How do you open this thing?
This is not it.
No, that's not it.
Got it. Yes.
And then you also have to put everything back into the luggage.
Oh my god.
Your ticket looks like a boarding pass.
But there's no way my ticket.
Is it in the clothes?
Yeah, it might be in the
ready to
clothes.
depart.
Whose clothes is this?
Hey, you gotta pack up.
Pack it up.
It's a cargo jacket. What do I do?
Pack it up, pack it up, pack it up.
Where's the zipper?
Dude, I can't find anything in this.
I'm getting stressed.
Me too. Pockets?
Oh my.
Not your pockets!
Oh! I see it! Oh yeah!
I don't know where it is.
Jay, is this all your clothes?
I don't know where it is.
Did you really think this was the ticket?
I got it.
You really thought. Can you guys help me out? I don't want to be left here.
Dude, where could it be?
I know.
All right, Jake, since you can't find it, we'll just give you the extra plane ticket.
Oh my god! The back tag?
Please.
We're about to go on the plane. Now that we're at the gate, the pilot actually said that there's one first class seat open
I'll take it.
and he can only give it to one of you guys. In order to compete for that, there's a piece of paper, different types of paper in your luggage that you have to take out.
This?
Yep,
This is not paper.
that's foil paper. The pilot wants to see you guys make the best paper airplane with the material that it has to fly the furthest. We're gonna fly it from the top of the booth up there. You guys are gonna be given time limits based on the ranking. That's what the first game was for. Okay. David gets 5 minutes, Jen gets 4, Nathan gets 3, Bo gets 2, and Jay gets 1 minute. David gets to start, and then we'll cue each person, okay? Ready, set, go.
Wait, do I go this way or the other? Wait, I think I'm gonna go this way. Dude, it's been so long.
That'd be a very long plane. More like a rocket ship.
Wait, this should work. That looks pretty good.
The question is, will it fly?
Jen, ready, set, go.
Sorry, I had to test
He looks like when he's eating the 달고나.
Oh yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my gosh.
Ready, set, go, both.
I'm ready. Okay.
Looks pretty
Okay,
solid.
Jay, you ready? Go.
Oh, he's ripping it.
You can do it. You can do it. I don't know if you can do it.
Three, 2, 1. Stop. Okay.
Very nice.
All right, so here we are, 300 feet above the ground, ready to throw our airplanes and see who gets that first class seat. We're gonna start off with the one that we think will fail, and which is
Yourself.
everyone's saying it's mine. So I'm gonna prove everyone wrong.
Thank
and
you.
I
Gobo.
volunteer myself as tribute.
The Gobo. 3, 2, 1.
I made it past the black line.
The T-plane is coming, the okay? T-plane.
The T-plane from Tesla. 3, 2, 1.
Did it beat Bo?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, this is the Model 3 paper tissue plane.
3, 2, 1.
Did it go backwards? Did it go backwards?
Yo! T-plane!
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh! Go.
Wow. That was
That
impressive.
went a lot farther than I expected.
Wow.
That's pretty good. All right.
Let's just make it clear that when you have nice cardboard paper like this, it's gonna go far.
This is going to the stage. All right. All right. Give me that final countdown.
15.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Where is it? Behind the black line? Second? But guess what? He didn't make the stage. Yes.
did you
The
not
one
get
that
that?
David made should have gone to the stage. It should have.
Are y'all ready?
David. I guess you weren't born to become a pilot.
Yes.
Try.
You should
Sorry.
fly as well.
It's okay.
It's all right. Next time.
So now you guys are gonna get on the plane. Jen, you get the first class seat, which is in the middle, and the rest of you guys can sit on the floor. So we're taking off now. Jen, as a reward to you,
Yes.
you are going to get a really nice meal.
What is that? Is that sashimi?
Is that Martinelli's?
Oh, oui.
That was personal.
Did they have to drop it like that so half of our meal goes on the ground?
It's not even cooked. I'll do anything for you.
But they're still filming.
You're just gonna give it to us like this? Okay.
I'll give you guys something. And then maybe I
No problem.
Well, thank you guys for joining us. If you had a good time, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button over at Tree Stump. We have a question to ask you guys. If we could go anywhere, where would you like to see us go?
Japan,
Japan would be cool.
Korea.
Korea would be cool too. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget, we are Mission.
That's a wrap. Great job, everybody. Thank you, crew.